Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Dave Blinder at eXp Realty, the best realtor in all of New Jersey, potentially the full universe as well. Well, maybe not the full universe. Anyways, I know a lot of you have questions about how the coronavirus is affecting real estate transactions and maybe your home values in New Jersey. So hopefully you find this helpful. Today we're looking at the Somerset County real estate market update. We're looking at homes sold during the month of March 2020. The data was pulled from Garden State MLS. The information is deemed reliable, but not necessarily guaranteed. Please proceed with caution. So on this table, we're comparing the sold home data from March 2020 to March 2019 throughout the full county of Somerset. This includes both single-family homes as well as all condos and townhouses throughout the county. We've got a breakdown here. We've got number of rooms in the houses, bedrooms, full bathrooms, half bathrooms, garage spaces, list price, or what did the seller or owner ask for the home, sale prices, what did that buyer actually pay out of pocket for the home. We've got a percent sale price to list price comparison, and we've got our DOM, or days on the market. That means how long did the home actually take to sell after it was listed for sale in the MLS. So our most important numbers are going to be our averages here. The minimum and maximum numbers could be interesting, but they're really outliers and not necessarily indicative of the market overall by any means. So we can see in 2020, though, we had a total of 284 units or homes sold. In March 2019, we had more. We had 301 total homes sold in the county. But what we're seeing is real estate is certainly still happening throughout the coronavirus at this point in March 2020. We don't know how that's going to be effective going on. But it's certainly still kind of business as usual. We do prefer to do a lot of the showings one-on-one to limit exposure to you to any viruses and contagions. It's important that we all wear a lot of safety gear, including gloves and masks for sure, for sanitation purposes. I'd like to do a lot of my showings virtually up front. That way you can see, kind of preview the home, do a little window shopping at home. It's very convenient. You don't have to leave your home. And then let's go look at the home in person if you think you're really serious about it afterwards. My time is very flexible to help with that if you do want to see homes. On the positive note, we see that both list prices and sales prices have increased significantly over March 2019 in Somerset County. So we got a 12.8% increase in list price over the previous year. In a sale price, that number is up as well. So we know that in New Jersey, this has been a seller's market the past few years for sure. In Somerset County, this is certainly a very desirable place to live. We've got outstanding school systems. We've got a terrific park system here. And this can also be a nice location for New York City commuters as well. So just a great place to live overall in Somerset for sure. The percent sale price to list price, this is fairly consistent the past this year and the previous year at just above 97%. So how we interpret that number is that homes are selling for pretty close to what they're listed for overall. And that means that both the realtors and sellers are setting pretty accurate prices on the homes. As a buyer, you may not have a whole lot of wiggle room in the pricing, but there's always exceptions to that rule. I love getting involved in negotiations, and let me know if I could help you a little bit more with that as well. The DOM and days on market, we're seeing a little bit of a shortening here. Homes are selling about 10 days faster compared to the previous year. So again, this is indicative of a seller's market at this point in March 2020. That'll be interesting to see how these numbers change in April. And I'm, of course, providing these numbers for you throughout the course of the year. So please subscribe to my channels for more updates on these matters. So I went ahead and went back in time to 2018 to show you a little bit more of the trend, a little bit of an arch in numbers here, but there are still, we are seeing a greater number of homes sold in March in 2020 compared to 2018. Our home values are certainly still significantly higher in 2020 compared to 2019. Both the list price and the sale price are significantly higher in 2018, though they seem to have dipped just a tiny bit in 2019. The sale price to list price is, again, pretty consistent throughout the most recent years. And the DOM, or days on market, were again just a little bit greater in 2020 when we look backwards. So again, still very, very strong relative seller's market in Somerset County, New Jersey. So I hope that information was interesting and helpful to you. If you have any more questions about it, please let me know. You can reach me on all the major social media outlets. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, my website. Please subscribe if you want more information about what's going on in the local New Jersey real estate markets. I'm doing these market updates for most counties, so if you're looking for Morris, Sussex, or Warren, or Passaic, I'd love to provide that information for you as well. If you have any questions about my content or buying or selling a home, I'd love to hear from you by email. Always open to text or calls as well. This is my direct cell phone number. This is my virtual office number at eXp Realty, so that will ring my cell phone. That's a great number to reach me at as well. So I really thank you for tuning in, and I hope this information was interesting to you. So have a great night, and please stay safe and healthy. Thanks so much.